Hello, I'm Alan from Estate Agents, and I just thought I'd take a moment today to discuss with you how the Central Queensland property markets have been faring over the last few years and how that affects local suburbs like, for example, Allenstown. The Central Queensland property markets have been showing signs of steady decline since 2014, and this has been caused, at least in part, by a reduction in coal prices since 2013. Which saw several uneconomical mines close through 15 and 16, and the remaining operational mines reduced their running costs. As a result, many infrastructure development projects were postponed or abandoned during that period. In mid to late 2016 and throughout 17, an increase in coal prices saw renewed interest in local coal projects, and the effect on the property market was that the demand for urban properties throughout Central Queensland initially remained soft. However, with continued strong coal prices, we're now starting to see stabilisation in the urban markets. The Rockhampton market as a whole may be starting to show signs of that stabilisation currently, as the declines of previous years begins to slow. Allenstown's older properties performed slightly better than the Rockhampton average throughout much of 2016 and 2017. However, 2018 has seen the suburb returning to trend with Rockhampton. This does mean that there's some excellent buying to be had within Allenstown and throughout Rockhampton, with good numbers of properties available. A home that may have cost around $270,000 in Allenstown in 2014 may now be available to purchase for around $210,000. With recent reports of national and regional economic growth, there may not be a better time to consider purchasing locally than right now. The older and cheaper homes generally found throughout Allenstown have long been considered good investment options, with strong rental yield and solid constructions that require little maintenance. I've personally witnessed an increase in investor activity this year as savvy buyers attempt to maximise their potential for property growth by purchasing while the property prices remain low. If you'd like any further detail on how the local property markets are travelling, or if I can assist you in any way with your property requirements, please feel free to call me, Alan O'Reilly, at Estate Agents today.